So I told you now before that if you have an e or the logarithm times function or an logarithm times 4x cubic or len times 4x cubic or e 3x squared times ex cubic or times 4x cubic or any of these and they are multiplied and I ask you about derivation, here you have to use the product rule. Remember that product rule used only in derivation. But here now you have an integration. Integration, that means you cannot use a product rule. You cannot say that the first one times the second one plus, this is false. Here now you have to think, how can we find the derivation of e in order to cancel negative 4x cubic? Now I told you that in the integration of e to the power u is e to the power u times du over dx. So here we have to find the u assumption. And the number or the things that is raised to e is u. So let's assume that eu is negative x to the power 4. So du over dx, or we can say that du will be negative 4x cubic times dx. Here, I just need to replace or to find the derivation of negative x to the power 4. Then let's come back here. E to the power u. Then negative 4x cubic dx. Let's come back here. Can I replace it with du?
Yes.
Yes. So here, instead of writing negative 4x cubic dx, write u. Du. Here you have e to the power u. Then let's come back now to our integration. In our integration here, we say that the integration of e to the power u is e to the power u times du over dx. So the integration of e to the power u will be e to the power u plus c. Then after that, just here rewrite u with negative 4x cubic plus c.
Teacher, u is negative x to the
power
4.
Negative x to the power 4. Thank you, Han. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now here, e to the power x times e to the power x plus 1 squared. Here now, this is an e to the power x. So there's no u. I will not use the u assumption. So now, let's first simplify it as u to the power 2, yani I say like it is e to the power x plus 1 times e to the power x plus 1. We have it as e to the power 2x plus e to the power x plus e to the power x plus 1. So it is e to the power 2x plus e to the power x plus 1. So now, times e to the power x. Then let's multiply e to the power x by the distributive property. So e to the power x is e to the power x times e to the power 2x is e to the power 3x plus 2e to the power 2x plus e to the power x. Dx. Here, First step, I simplify e to the power x plus 1. Since it's squared, so I multiply it by itself. I get it as, here it's, imagine that this is w and this is w. So it's come like w plus 1. So w times w is w squared, w times 1 is w, 1 times w is w, and 1 times 1 is 1. So you get the answer as w squared plus 2w plus 1. Then you replace e with w, so it will be e to the power 2x times plus 2, e to the power x plus 1. Then here you have e to the power x outside, so just use the distributive property. So we have e to the power 3x plus 2, e to the power 2x plus e to the power x dx. Then I need to find the derivation. Now we know that the derivation of e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. And the derivation of e to the power u is, the integration of e to the power u is e to the power u plus c. So here we have it as integration of e to the power 3x plus 2 integration of e to the power 2x plus the integration of e to the power x dx. So here I just distribute the integral sign into the function. Then e to the power 3x, let's assume that this is u. So it will be e to the power u times du over dx times 3. Okay, here you have to write u times its derivation plus 2 times e to the power 2x times its derivation, which is du over dx. And let's assume that here, I will repeat it now. And we assume that this is u, and this is u, and this is no. This is very easy. For the first one here, we know that the integration of, just 1 second, I will write it here. The integration of e to the power u is e to the power u du over dx plus c. So here you have to find au, or I'm sorry, it is au to the power du over dx. In this integration, this will be e to the power u plus c. So here you need to find, or you need to tell me where's u. So in the first one, e to the power 3x, you have to see that u is 3x and du will be 3 dx. So then you have to write e to the power 3x, its integrate will be e to the power 3x times du, which is, or times dx, which is du over 3. dx. So its integration now will be third e to the power 3x plus c. So the first case here, it is third e to the power 3x. And the second one, it is 2 times half e to the power 2x. And the third one, the integration of e to the power x will be e to the power x. Then 2 cancel 2. So it comes like third e to the power 3x plus e to the power 2x plus e to the power x plus c. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure? Did you need any
Yes.
question?
Yes.
Okay.
Investor.
Now, here you need to find the derivation of g of x, which is 4 logarithm of 3x times ln x. Here you need to find the derivative. Now let's remember here that the derivative of ln u is 1 over u du over dx, and the derivative of ln x is 1 over x, and the derivative of logarithm to the base b of u is 1 over u times ln b times du over dx, and the derivation of logarithm to the base b of x will be 1 over x ln lb. This is here the derivation for ln and logarithm. Let's come back now to our question here. We have 4 logarithm 3 of x minus ln x. So it is 4. Now logarithm 3 or logarithm to the base 3 of x. Here, sorry, there's a 3 down. It's like this. I will rewrite it now here. G of x is 4 logarithm to the base 3 of x minus lineal x. And you need to find now the derivation. Now let's come back here. From where's the log? This is the log. Since we have x, so we have, since it is x, it is not complicated one, I don't need to use the u assumption. So its derivation will be 4 times logarithm 3 to the base x. Let's now replace it with 1 over x times lineal b. Where is b? Which is a 3. This is b, yes. So it is 4 times 1 over x ln 3 minus lineal x. What is the derivation of lineal x?
1 over x.
1 over x. So I have it as 4 times 1 over x ln 3 minus 1 over x. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Now here, find dy over dx, the derivation of y, where y is ln x plus 5e raised to the power 3x. I rewrite it here. It is ln x plus 5e raised to the power 3x. So here now we need to find the derivation of ln. Let's remember that if you have the derivation of ln u will be, who can help me? What is the derivation of ln u?
It is the absolute value of u plus c.
No, it is 1 over u times du over dx. This is here the derivation of ln u. Now, Hannah, the integration of 1 over u is ln the absolute value of u. But the derivation of ln u is 1 over u times du over dx. So that's mean First I have to assume u. Where is u? This is u. So I need to find u and du over dx. So then, if u is x plus 5e to the power 3x, so I need to find now du. Du will be, what is the integration of x?
1.
It's 1. Just 1 second, please. Let's replace this up here. So du will be 1 plus 5. Now, what did we find here? We found e. So we need to find, or we need to remember, what is the derivation of e to the power 3x? Let's remember now that the derivation of e to the power u is e to the power u times du over dx. So here we have it as 5e to the power 3x times the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So here you have to find out to tell me that this is u, and then the derivation of u of the derivation of 3x, which is a 3. So du will be 1 plus 15e to the power 3x times dx. Then I have it now as, I know now where is u and where is du. Now what did I need here? I need to find the derivation of ln. And let's remember here that the derivation of ln is 1 over u times du over dx. So dy over dx will be 1 over u. Where is u? This is u. So let's assume, or let's bring this u. Let's bring it here. Times du over dx. Where is du over dx? If we divide here both sides by dx, we get that du over dx is 1
plus 15 e
plus
to the power
15,
3x.
bravo, e to the power 3x. So this will be here the derivation. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
No. Let's have another question now. Here now, I want to solve number A and C, okay, to get to the idea. In A here, we have 2x raised to the power 1 equals 5. Now, in this case, here now, you are asking yourself, and now in the previous questions or in the previous grades, if you have 2 to the power 2x equals 8, you will write these, the two numbers have the same base. So to get rid of that, or to make 8 to be written as 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 8 is, which is written as 2 to the power 3. Then 2x is a 3. So x will be 3 over 2. Here now, You cannot make 5 to be 2 or 2 to be 5. So what we have to do here? Who can tell me?
Use the logarithm.
Yeah, the logarithm, exactly. What you have to do, Dareen? Put logarithm. Now I want to cancel 2. So what did I need to put logarithm? To the base 2.
Base 2.
Bravo, to the both sides. So what did I get now? I get logarithm to the base 2 of 2 that cancel each other. So I get x minus 1.
X minus 1 is equal
Equals.
to logarithm base 2 of 5.
Bravo. Logarithm to the base 2 of 5. Now on calculator, you can find logarithm to the base 2 of 5. Just 1 second here. To the base 2 of 5, which is 2.32. This is an x minus 1. So x will be 3.31. This is for A. Is it clear? B, it have the same idea. But in B, you have to put the logarithm to the base 3 in order to cancel a 3. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
أكيد.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, miss, I have 13 girls. Only Hannah say yes. ردوا علي. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now C. In C here, we have e to the power 3x plus 4 equals 2. I need to find e now, to find x, sorry. So how can I cancel e?
Put logarithm e.
Bravo, logarithm to the base e, or we name it with len. Bravo, Hannah. So I will put len in the both sides here. So len cancel e. So I have 3x plus 4 equals len 2. Then on calculator, if you find len 2, where is that? Its value is 0.69, which is 3x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So 3x will be 4 minus 0.69, which is negative 3.31. So x will be negative 1.1. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now today I will stop here. Tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to solve some questions related to chapter 6. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.